Okay, today we're going to spread a beautiful chord. It is an E minor 7 with a 9 and an 11. So E11, right? So now we're going to take this. Jean Luc Ponty did this on A Taste for Passion. Okay, so I want to show you how we can take this chord instead of going through all the, we're going to bring the root down to here, right? We're going to put our 5th here, keep the 9 there. There's the minor 3rd, there's the 7, there's the 13. So you may recognize that. Okay, now here's how you can build it from sort of a rote kind of a, I'm just going to show it. You'll understand. If you're this far with your music, you will definitely understand this. So I'm going to put my root, 5th, and 9 on my left hand. Then I'm going to go up a half step. Now you can build these. It's always the same cool thing. We have 5ths. There's a 5th there, and then from your 5th to the 9 is a 5th, right? And now you're going to do the exact same thing starting on the minor 3rd, which to make minor ones, half step. To make cool major, you've got a lot of tension on that too, right? You got your what's that, sharp 9, not sharp 9, sharp 11, 3rd, there's still your 9, there's your major 7, so it's a beautiful chord. You hear it in MAHAVISHNU uses this quite a bit. So to build the minor, whatever note you want to do it, we can do this on, let's do F sharp. 5th, 5th, 5th. Okay, now I'm going to go up a half step to my minor 3rd, I'm going to do the same thing. 5th, 5th. Now if I want to go down, listen how cool this sounds. That was the same. That's now your F major 7. Looks like it's got, what else is on there? Let's see, we got the 9, there's your 3rd, there's your major 7, and there's a, sharp 11. So that's pretty cool. So from here, there's our E minor 9.